Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 11. Travelling in the future.
Unit 11. Page 48. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Wow! Driverless cars already exist. I can't believe it.
Yes, they look so cool. What will be next?
I'm sure there'll also be flying cars.
Does that mean we'll still have traffic jams in the sky?
Yes, maybe there will be.
No, I think they'll have SSS. It's a sky safety system. It'll stop everyone from crashing. It'll help them avoid traffic jams too.
I'd prefer to have a jetpack. I'll wear it on my back. It doesn't take lots of space, and I'll use mine to fly anywhere easily.
Do you think you can use it in bad weather?
No, I don't think it will be pleasant.
Then perhaps a teleporter is the best. It makes you disappear, then you reappear in another place seconds later.
Wow, your idea is really imaginative, Veronica.
Yes, that program really got me thinking.
I do worry about one thing. How much fuel will these means of transport use? Will pollution be much worse?
Don't worry, Mai. The future is green. Solar energy will power everything.